Hi friends, and welcome back. Today I'm going to teach you how to take pictures for Facebook Marketplace to sell your items faster. When I take pictures for Facebook Marketplace, I love using this floor. It's beautiful. I like to open my door, hi Luna, for lighting. And when you're taking pictures, make sure you take pictures of every angle so the buyers can see the actual items, any special detail. Definitely take pictures of that. And I love taking pictures with measurements so they see how I'm measuring the item so they have a better idea what they're buying. If your home doesn't have great lighting, try taking pictures right outside as well.
Okay, so I don't want you to go out and buy fancy cameras, lighting, props. You don't need that. Be creative. Go around the house and see, or area, and see what you can use. Hey, you can probably use a piece of clothing that has fur.
Okay, so here's a sample of a fur or faux fur that I'm talking about. You can use that to take pictures with small items like jewelry, and make sure there's nothing distracting like Jake is always in the way, because you want the buyer to focus on the actual item. Now, my favorite thing to do when taking pictures of jewelry, I love to take something with sunlight because it makes it sparkle and more interesting and beautiful. So that way the buyer can see how gorgeous this piece is. And make sure you take pictures of every angle so they have an idea how it looks like inside and out.
Or, use a background like a wooden background. You have the resource, you have the items around the house that you can use to create a prop. Now, the one thing you need to know is that buyers don't really care how pretty and exciting the picture are, right? So you really want to focus on the actual item that you are selling. Yes, this is a prop that I'm using because I'm using my camera phone to film this video. So I just want to give you guys ideas that you don't need to go out spend money to try to sell stuff on Facebook Marketplace. So this next clip, I'm going to show you how the difference between using your camera feature on your phone versus the feature on the actual platform Facebook Marketplace. What's the difference? So let's go.
I have this ligature here to quickly give you a demonstration between the difference of using your camera phone versus on the platform of Facebook Marketplace. What I love using, and I prefer this, is using the actual cell phone. You can take as much pictures as you want quickly. You can edit, you can crop it, you can zoom in. I love using the actual camera. Now I'm going to quickly show you here the Facebook Marketplace one. So I'm going to quickly pull up when you're creating a listing. When you hit add photo, there's a camera icon right there, and that's where you can take pictures. Now, the thing I don't like about this, when you take a picture, you only can do one at a time. And the only thing you can do when you're doing one at a time, you have to keep clicking on the camera. You only can crop it. You really can't do any type of edit. So that's why I prefer to take pictures right from my phone and then I upload it. And it saves you a lot of time by doing that way. And lastly, make sure you take pictures of every angle close up, so that way the buyer has an idea how the material is made, how it looks like. Definitely point out any flaws, if there's scratches or dents. They have to know what they're buying from you, and it's better to be upfront and clear and no surprises.
I hope I helped you out today. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you want to watch more of my videos, click here. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please click here to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Enjoy the rest of your Sunday. Take care and God bless.